we had participated in Mumbai. So it was 38th Asia Euro International Karate Championship, which was organized by World Funakoshi Shotokan Karate Organization in Priyadarshini Sports Complex, Mulund, Mumbai. So from Goa, I am World Funakoshi Shotokan Karate Organization Style Chief, Black Belt 5 Dan. With my team, we have participated in the tournament, and we Mugda Rajaram Duri, she was participated in under 9 age category, and she was awarded gold medal in kata and silver medal in kumite. And then Ravi Kumar Bin, he participated in both the category, but he achieved silver medal in kata event. And Adarsh Yadav, he was awarded as gold medal in kata and gold medal in kumite. And Rajiv Hussain, he participated in 13-year age category. He was awarded gold medal in kata and gold medal in kumite. And Avni S. Chauhan, she was participated in kata and kumite. She awarded silver medal in kata and bronze medal in kumite. And Satyam Yadav, he was awarded silver medal in kumite and bronze medal in kata. So the result was like 5 gold and 4 silver and 4 bronze. It was 2 event result. So it was very good experience with the team in Mumbai. We are trying that my students should practice very hard. I will try my level best for that, so that the children can play Karate India. So we are preparing for the Traditional Karate Association of Goa, which is a state karate federation, and we are getting very good support from Traditional Karate Association of Goa, and I am very much thankful to our president Sensei Joseph Rodriguez, and he is very kind person, and he is very good supporting, very good. And General Secretary Subhash Sirodkar is there, and Treasurer of the State Karate Federation Sensei Mahendra Naik. Overall, all team is very good. They support us, and we will try our level best to participate in the district championship and state championship, so that the children can participate in the Karate India for future.